Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to do a little something for Easter. We're going to create some really cute little baskets that we can put little Easter eggs into. I have some melted milk chocolate here. This is not tempered, so anybody can follow along with this little tutorial. I've got myself a silicone brush. I'm just going to dip, and I'm going to start building my shell. You just want to bring that chocolate right up to the top. Just like that. How does that look? Looks pretty good. Just want to make sure that I've got it all around on that mold. Now if you find painting it takes a little bit too long, you can just take your bowl of chocolate and just pour some in. I think that looks good, just like that. I've got a little silicone mat here. And what I'm going to do here, I'll turn it this way. Just like that. And now I'm just going to invert this. Going to get that onto a tray, and now I'm going to pop this into the fridge for about 1 hour. So here we are. My chocolate mold has nicely chilled. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to lift that up. Oh yes. Look at that. Hardly a tap and they just fall right out. There's our mold. And look at that. Those look amazing. And even for non-tempered chocolate, we have a really nice little shine going on there. So you can see the nice little pattern on here. I really like that mold. So let me flip this one over. And there we go. And then this is where the fun comes in. You can just throw in some little Easter eggs. Easter themed jelly beans. You just fill it up with whatever you want. You know, if you're having a little party, these are really fun to make. And the great thing about it is that little mold, you can use it for any kind of celebration. You can use it for Easter or Christmas or Mother's Day. Just fill it with whatever you have and there we go. So I think that looks pretty nice. So that's it for this really fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they're really nice. Really like those. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.